In this video, we will be showing the project of installing a Victron inverter and Battleborn batteries into the Coachman 355 Encore. The first step, we will cover the wiring diagram for the project. 8 Battleborn lithium batteries were installed, given 800 amp hours of power. These were connected in parallel using the Victron Links bus system to provide a bus and a battery monitoring module, then output on the Links distributor to provide the DC power to the motor coach. DC power supplied to the inverter, also supplied back to the original wiring for the coach, where the solar charger and the DC to DC converter are installed. Off of that same point, power goes to the coach's normal DC distribution. The AC power is brought in to a watchdog surge protector and then through a transfer switch into the inverter. To monitor the system, the Venus gateway is installed and it's connected to the battery monitor, the inverter, and the solar charger to provide input data. To support the batteries, a rack was constructed and installed in the 10-inch shelf in the compartment that the power normally comes in. This allowed for the batteries to be laid in flat and fastened securely. The batteries were installed with 1/aught welding wire cable, each cable being the same length to reach to the Victron Links distributor. As part of the install, the hot water lines had to be moved to allow the 8th battery to be placed in the shell. So we have 8 batteries on the 10-inch shelf, all the cables coming down to the front that will be attached to the distributor. This clip shows all of the battery wires being connected into the Links distributor, and all the wires are fused. And here it is, the complete project. Surge protector on the right going through the transfer switch, and with AC power passing over to the Victron inverter. Batteries coming down from the distributor into the inverter, and the 8 batteries being connected to the Links distributor. Link shunt in the middle, showing the amount of power being pulled out of the batteries. Also have a Venus gateway on the right. A fan on the compartment allows hot air to be pulled out. Here we have a couple of screens that I've made using the Home Assistant program to monitor temperatures and different readings on the system. I have an overview that shows all the different places in the coach that I'm monitoring items. Make sure that nothing overheats or I'm pulling the right amount of power.